Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm gonna be teaching you how you can send photos and videos to your friends on Kik Messenger. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open up the Kik Messenger app on your phone. After you do so, go ahead and select a chat. Let's suppose I want to chat with my friend over here. I'll just go ahead and click on her profile. And you can see the camera icon and photo icon. If you want to click a photo and send to your friend, you can just go ahead and click on it. Allow the option, and after you allow the camera for Kik, you can easily click a photo and send it, or else you can just go ahead and click on this photo looking icon and you can see some of the videos and photos. I'm just gonna go ahead and send my code to this person. After I select it, I'll just go ahead and click on send. If you want to keep a caption, you can keep the caption and you can type a message, or else just go ahead and click send. So wait for a while and your photo and video will be sent according to your wish. I hope this video about how you can send photos and videos to your friends on Kik Messenger was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.